Time for peace and love and fun. Time for crime and violence done, yeah. Come together, we make it right. We can do it if we all unite.
There is no room for complacency. We're all saddened and angered at the continued victimization of our children. In many cases, Mr. Speaker, at the hands of persons close to them and from whom they should expect protection. The solution to this issue rests not just with law enforcement, but requires a whole society approach to address the complex issues of moral decay that have allowed these heinous acts to occur. A principal contributor to this has to be ineffective parenting, and it's something we need to address. Addressing this has been a central element of Unite for Change's public education campaign. In 2013, I introduced the Unite for Change initiative. Today, I can report that Unite for Change has been a force for good, partnering with our community organizations, churches, schools, and various civil society groups. The collaboration among the ministry and its partner ministries and agencies is taking the message of lawfulness across the country. I want to speak specifically to our parenting campaign. Research shows that good parenting is important in reducing the risk for juvenile delinquency and criminal behavior. To be more specific, research done in the United States, United Kingdom, and in the Caribbean indicate that fatherless children are 11 times more likely to display violent behavior, 9 times more likely to run away from home, becoming victims or perpetrators of crime, twice as likely to drop out of school, 6 times more likely to have behavioral disorders, 9 times more likely to become gang members, 6 times more likely to end up in prison, and more than twice as likely to experience teen pregnancies, among other things. This is precisely why the National Security Ministry in February of this year rolled out a national parenting campaign under the Unite for Change initiative. The strength of the campaign is reflected in the number of partnerships it has generated with both public and private sector organizations. These partnerships have been designed to encourage more active and effective parenting and have been delivering the campaign message of better parenting, better Jamaica. And since February this year, we have been running a media campaign including billboards, radio and TV ads geared at promoting better parenting. This year, we're encouraging all of Jamaica to come together and ensure that as many of our children as possible have some structured activity in the summer.
The National Security Ministry is also using smart technology to help children and other Jamaicans keep safe. Technology like Unite for Change's Stay Alert smartphone app.
This app, among other things, allows the users to anonymously upload text, photographs, or videos of criminal or suspected criminal activity to the National Intelligence Bureau. It also has a panic button feature that sends a distress signal to police control. We think this app provides a mechanism for residents to participate in the co-production of their community safety, and it can be especially helpful to hearing impaired citizens.
The Stay Alert smartphone app is now fully deployed, and a couple thousand early adopters have already downloaded and are using the software. Join them. Download the app at the Unite for Change website or from the Google Play Store. Let's all unite to change Jamaica's culture of crime. This Child Month, let's unite to provide a brighter future for tomorrow's leaders. The magazine continues after the short break.
Time for peace and love and fun. Time for crime and violence done, yeah. Come together, we make it right. We can do it if we all unite.